Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to be talking about beat drops, how to get those drops and stutters and chops in your beats, how to do it easily, quickly, and stay on time. All right, so we're going to jump right into it. We're working in our free template. Look, man, if you do not have a free template for recording, for using Pro Tools, for using Logic, you got to pick up one of my free templates. Man, they will completely change the game for you, completely change the way that you sound, the way you record, and really inspire you to make some great music right away. All right, so that's out of the way. Let's jump into the section. I actually re-imported the beat so that you can see the first step to getting these beat drops together. So the first thing you need to do is zoom in all the way to the beginning of the beat. And if you imported your beat from YouTube, you ripped it from YouTube, there's going to be a little bit of space at the beginning right here that you need to get rid of. Just press tab, press A, and then drag that beat back. That's just the thing that's going to get everything on the grid. So when you set your tempo through the tap tempo, you can get everything locked into your grid. All right, so we got the tempo locked in. The beat is on. Let's make sure. I'll just play it from right here.
And mix rearrange like it's scrap. I remember them days when I was eating Scrabble. Put my heart in this dude for my son, we gon' make it out. Niggas talk tough and we side on whoever. Remember them days was gripping on Beretta. My Glock is concealed, I keep it in my leather. The king of them city, name a nigga better. Was locking that cell and I ain't get a letter. Was down on my dick and now I'm counting racks. Do Brody a cutie, showed him how to track. Fell out by that game and fell in love.
All right, cool. I think right there, right before the beat changes, is a good spot to put a drop in. So let's cut some of this out of here. All I'm gonna do is select the section I want to get rid of and just hold the back and just hit backspace. Now let's play that back.
Was locking that cell and I ain't get a letter. Was down on my dick and now I'm counting racks. Do Brody a cutie, showed him how to track. Fell out by that game and fell in love with rap.
All right, so the drop is a little bit too long. Let's see if we can shorten it some. What I'm actually going to do is get in here and actually make my grid a little bit more precise. So I'm going to set it to 16th notes, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit to see if we can cut it at a better place. Now let's listen. I like that. I think that's cool. So let's actually bring the beat back in a little bit more dramatically. I'm actually going to have the beat bounce back in. So we're going to just copy the very beginning of our beat track, the very first kick, and we're going to drag it back twice so we can get a quick double on our beat track. Let's hear that. I think that sounds good. Now I'm going to take the audio suite and I'm actually going to go to verify. These are the little secret tips that kind of take it to the next level, right? So we're going to take verify and we're actually going to slow down the end part of this little beat drop, and you'll hear the difference it makes. So we'll render that down, grab that, and duplicate it so it does it both times. Let's see. I like that. Let's do the same thing on this ending right here, just because it ends kind of abruptly. Let's slow it down to see if we get a bit smoother of a transition. Then we can make it a little more dramatic. Let's go all the way back to where the actual kick hits, and let's render that out. Let's see what we got. I like that too. Now on this Brody bar, I think we can stutter right there. So let me show you how to do that as well. So we're just going to take the very beginning of that word and we'll just hit B, to break it. And then we're just going to do the same thing, copy that twice before it, and let's play it. We don't have enough. So let's actually hold the shift key with our grid this tight, and we're going to hold shift and drag it a little bit over the line, and then we'll hear. I like that, but it's getting covered up by the beat stop. So let's try to see if we can double up the next bar instead. Fell out. Boom. I think that's better. Let's hear it again. When I call up Wally, you better have your vet. Got the Drake with a kid. You lucky ain't a tech. I'm about your city. All right, cool. So I'm gonna show you guys one more beat effect. I think it's gonna be really cool, and this is the lo-fi underwater effect. And I'm gonna show you how to do it using a stock plugin with Pro Tools. So we're gonna actually go to harmonic, and then we'll go down here to lo-fi. This is all in the audio suite, and I'm gonna bring this sample rate down to 4800, and from there I'll just hit render, and we'll kind of get an idea of what that's gonna sound like. You lucky ain't a tech. I'm about your city, nigga. Yeah, I'm good. My niggas, we really get it out the mud. I'ma spank me a nigga, give his mama a hug. And my demons, we really geeking about that violence. Bullets is flying, niggas here inside. Ass off with your head and leave your mother crying. 1500 on Cardi's evolving my vision. There it is. So the cool thing about these effects is that you can drop them in and add them onto certain little parts of the track, or you can mix them together. So we just did the slow down effect with the verify. Let's do that again as we get into this lo-fi section. So we'll put a beat drop there first. Perfect. Now let's grab the verify and we'll actually slow that down so it transitions into that section really smoothly. So we'll grab verify, render that, and let's do something different on this side. We're actually going to speed it up to kind of ramp back into the sound. So let's hear that.
Got the Drake with a kid, you lucky ain't attack. I'ma rock the city, nigga, yeah, I'm good. My niggas, we really get it out the mud. I'ma spank me a nigga, give his mama a hug. And my demons, we really geeking about that violence. Bullets is flying, niggas here inside. Yeah, it's all.
And let's just do a drop right at the end of that section as well, just to kind of really make it dramatic.
Nigga, give his mama a hug. And my demons, we really geeking about that violence. Bullets is flying, niggas here inside. Yeah, it's all.
I like that. Let's put a stutter on bullets as well.
We really geeking about that violence. Bullets is flying, niggas here inside. Yeah, it's off with your head and leave your mother.
And look, man, it's that simple. I'm trying to tell you, these are the tips, these are the tricks that I'm giving you week in and week out. If you need more, remember, stay tuned, man. If you don't have a template, pick up my free template. It's completely free. It's down below. It's going to change the game for you. Remember, I'm Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Demons, we really geeking about that violence. Bullets is flying, niggas here inside. Yeah, it's off with your head and leave your mother crying.